Hello guys, and today I'll be reacting to my 2025 AP exam scores. This year I took 10 AP exams as a junior, which is more than I had ever done. So the question is, did I cook or did I get cooked? So the funny thing is, I originally wanted to actually take 12 AP exams, but one of them I canceled because I realized if I did take it, I wouldn't have anything to take next year, even though I probably would have gotten a 5 on that anyways. And the other one, the school was not offering it. I asked to sign up, but they were like, no. But yeah, anyways, if you do enjoy this video, please make sure to watch my videos for freshman and sophomore year. Here's a list of all the classes I've taken for those years too. So as you can see, I've already taken quite a lot. Also, to make this video more interesting, I'll be dumping a bucket of ice water on my head if I get anything less than a 5. So I really hope I don't, although I probably... So the first class is AP Comparative Government and Politics. Now, I definitely think I got a 5 on this exam, although something that really was not ideal at all is I did not sleep the night before. I was trying to sleep all night and I just could not fall asleep for my life. It was also really loud outside. Probably got a 5. It was like a super easy class, so let's see how I did. Okay, so I did get a 5. That is good. As expected though, it's one of like the classes I'm most confident about getting a 5, so no surprise there. Next, we have AP English Language and Composition. Now, this one I'm kind of more like borderline about because I did kind of screw up an essay. I don't think I properly interpreted the first question and kind of went off topic also. So this could be a 4 or possibly even lower. Or, I mean, it's still probably going to be a 5. I'm still going to say a 5, but I don't feel too good about it and I don't know that I did too good on MCQ. Let's see, look how I did. Okay. So I did get a 5 on that. That's good. That's good. I'm glad I got a 5 on that because I was really worried about a 4 on that class. Okay, and next I have AP Environmental Science. This is actually a class I took again. I'm sorry, just the test I took again because I got a 4 last year and I'm not really too happy with 4s. This time I 100% got a 5. The entire exam was super easy. AP Euro is another class I'm not too sure about. I don't know that my MCQs were too good. I was really confused about a lot of the questions. The essays were fine. I'm still gonna say 5, although I could see it being a 4. Also, I actually dropped AP Euro a semester end to take comparative government. So this was like half self-study, but hopefully it's a 5. Okay, good, I got a 5. So far, all 4 scores I have seen have been a 5, which is good. Since I took 10 total exams, I'm hoping for a total score of 50, of course, but I think realistically, maybe like a 48 or 49 is probably going to happen. Next, we have AP Physics 1, which is another retake because I got a 4 freshman year. I don't even know how I got a 4. I think I just kind of messed up. I honestly should not have gotten a 4, but this was super easy. It's going to be a 5. Yeah, okay, I knew that. AP Physics 2, I'm less sure about. I feel like I definitely got a 5, although there was this one FRQ where I just completely did it wrong by multiplying all values by 2 when I shouldn't have. But yeah, I'm gonna say a 5 in this class. Yeah, 5. Yes, okay, I got a 5. I'm actually super nervous right now because okay, yeah, sorry. Okay, next we have AP Physics C, E, and M. Okay, so this class was actually super interesting. I spent longer taking the exam than studying for it, and I did not take the class. So basically, my school teaches this class as a 4-year course, which, like most schools, I believe teach this as a half-a-year course. I just did not really think it was worth spending a full year on it, and the grading was also harsh and stuff. So I just opted to take the exam. And I was going to study a lot, but I never really got around to it. But then it turns out most of this stuff was just physics too. And the one calculus FRQ, I basically inferred myself. I'm still going to say a 5, but I know they made it easier this year, so the curve could change. If it was on last year's curve, it would definitely be a 5. Okay, 5. Yes, I got a 5. Let's go. Yes, I didn't even that's actually crazy. I barely studied for this exam at all. And my classmates spent a year taking it. Oh wow, yes. Okay, AP Psych. Now, AP Psych is one of those easy 5s for sure. Although one of the questions in the FRQ was just super confusing to me. I reread that FRQ question so many times and it just was not making sense at all. I'm still gonna say 5. The MCQ were a breeze. I probably got perfect on MCQ. and FRQ was good enough. So it's definitely like gonna be a 5. It's a pretty easy class. Yeah, okay, I got a 5. Only 2 more classes left, and all 2 of these classes are I'm kind of unsure about. Okay, now AP Seminar, I'm actually really not sure. Should I say 4 or 5 for this class? Cause like I spent too long on the essay that was not worth as much as the other essay. I definitely got some like points deducted from my personal presentation because I just like couldn't get through all the content and I was like talking too fast. So that was not great. Although I feel like I spent a lot of time on my IRR and the IWAs, so I think I did good on the writing. Should I say 4 or 5? Okay, I'm just gonna say 5, but I might get a 4. Please be a 5. Please be a 5. Yes, I got a 5. Let's go. Okay, really glad with that. And finally, it's A push. Okay, A push again. I'm gonna say 5, although I'm not completely sure because the essays did kind of trip me up. I knew like all the content. I'm still gonna say 5. The teacher for this class was also great. So yeah, hopefully it's a 5. Yes, okay, 5. Well, yeah, I'm actually pretty surprised. I got a 5 on all 10 of my AP exams. That's got to be some kind of record or something. Alright, so I know I said I was only gonna pour a bucket of ice water on my head if I got anything lower than a 5. But to thank you for watching to the end of this video, I'm just gonna do it anyways. Okay. Yeah, this is not gonna feel good. It's filled with ice too. Oh,